Hello everyone, this is Julio from Fitness Foundry. Hope you are well. By the way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. One of the most common questions I always get is the difference between fat and muscle. And I usually try to explain it in this way. Think of 5 pounds of fat in terms of 3 grapefruits and 5 pounds of muscle in terms of 3 tangerines. So what that comes down to is volume and density. So here's 1 pound of fat, squishy, and 1 pound of muscle. So you notice the density is very different. Next time you go in food shopping, you can grab 3 tangerines and 3 grapefruits, and you can clearly see the difference between fat versus muscle. So everything I'm sharing with you is from my book, Breakout or Breaking Even. And for the Fitness Pro, if you don't know, I also have a continuing education course for the same book. That's about it. And please subscribe. Thank you.